panicking.
All right, he started to choke.
I was probably aspirated from the breathing too.
Relax. Calm down. Calm down.
Let's go, let's go.
Come on.
Easy.
All right, watch the deck.
His pulse is weak.
I have no respiration.
Is there a plastic bag in there or something?
Yeah, we put it on his head before he poured the concrete. Please don't let him die. He's my best friend since kindergarten.
I can't get in there.
Yeah, we had 30 minutes to get him out of there. Now we got 30 seconds.
No response to sternal rub.
Pulse is fading. Still no respiration.
All right, Buck, once we get this frame off, you and I are going to go hammer and chisel on that block.
Starting compressions.
All right, got it? All right, Buck. I'm hammering your chisel. Let's go.
I can do this.